Benefits of eating eggs. Number 1, muscle strength. The high-quality protein in eggs, combined with other nutrients like leucine, helps promote muscle strength and repair. This is particularly beneficial for individuals engaged in physical activity and exercise. Number 2, hair and skin health. The vitamins and minerals in eggs contribute to healthy hair and skin. Biotin, a B vitamin found in eggs, is known to promote healthy hair and nails. Number 3, cost-effective protein source. Eggs are a relatively inexpensive source of high-quality protein compared to some other protein-rich foods. This makes them a cost-effective option for meeting your protein needs. Subscribe and follow on other social media platforms.
Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.